Hi, welcome to this quick video, and in this video we're going to see how you can comment in your JavaScript code. So here we have a code, yes, and let's just say that to see what this script will do. First, no, okay, cancel, sorry, let's keep. JavaScript is working, yes, just that. Let's save and let's do it again. JavaScript is working, right? And hello, right? So, and what is your name? Test. Let's save that. So the first we have alert, and second we have an alert too. We can do that. Oh, here we have a comment here. To comment we can put that way, see, or let's see, let's save just for you see. Oh, hello, and let's save again. Let's save. Just what is her name? Test. Okay, or for more than one line, we can use that. And that. Let's suppose that here to close. Let's save. Let's try again. Just test, save. Okay, this video was just like that. I'm glad if I could help you.